Hey boys, Chase Brown. Haha. It's my name, and today we are going to be putting wacky things. Haha. Hey boys, and no. Today we are going to be putting wacky things inside of the microwave and see what happens. Who knows what happens? That's why we're going to watch the video. Oh, what? No. I would love to know what happens when you put a tennis ball or something wacky inside of a microwave. Hey, today we're gonna find out. That's it. Okay, for as the first test, we will be putting water inside them. As the first test, we will be testing water. This is water. And now to see our results. Oh wow, that's really hot. I burnt my hand. Oh. Test number 2. We're going to put tennis ball inside of the microwave. What? What? Ow. Oh no, this is kind of warm now. Who would have guessed? Not me. Yeah. That concludes the video.